Yeah, this looks nice and solid. Does it say if they're 30 over?
Yes, it's 30.
30 over.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so 306. Stock everything else. I think we're going to test the theory. We've seen some opinions on this theory before.
Yeah, we're gonna try it and see, huh?
Yeah. And as we get in the video, I'll kind of explain what that theory is. But this should be kind of interesting. Alright, so this is our wild and crazy plan. You can see we got a set of hogged out Victor Juniors here. And of course, there's your stock heads. What these intake valves measure out to be? Like 208 or something like that?
Maybe.
Yeah.
Maybe 210. I don't know.
They're large. There's your stock intake valve. So we're gonna give this a shot. I mean, the first thing we're gonna kind of figure out here is if we'll even clear piston to valve. But if we do, we might be on to something here. Now, we're not saying it's gonna work. What we're saying is we're gonna try it. Alright, so the cam is a comp. It's was a dual pattern 533, 544, and then it's 112 lobe separation. Nothing crazy, you know, kind of a mild.
Maybe not the best, but that's what we got.
Not, yeah, exactly. It was on the shelf, so it's getting used. So, yeah, not a huge, like, crazy cam. Probably, you know, pretty good street cam. But, yeah, we're going to continue here. So the theory is, the long known proven fact is, the HO engines, the biggest flow restriction is your heads. So, what if you totally removed that restriction entirely? Was something that in theory is way too big for the engine. Yeah.
What else we gonna do, huh?
Right.
Yeah.
I mean, we got it all laying here. Why not test that theory? Yeah, brand new head gaskets. Valves in there. Oh yeah, we do got stock length push rods in there too. And we've got some, what'd you say those other ones were?
I can't read.
So we got some comp push rods. Both are gonna, I don't know. We're just gonna try it and see. Can't hurt, right? So these heads are Victor Juniors. You can see they've been hogged out extensively. They got Titech stamped on them. I'm assuming that's who ported them. But now let's get over to this head. If you look at even the exhaust ports, tons of port work on these things. And these are bigger valves than come with the heads when you buy them new. And they're kind of dirty, but they've had quite a bit of work done to them. Upgraded springs, the whole nine. This could be really fun, or it could be a total pooch. Either way, it's going to be interesting to see. Alright, so we found some push rods. They're probably not right, but neither is anything else on.
I think they in the neighborhood.
Yeah, they're close enough
We can do some checking anyhow.
for what we're doing. Go ahead and see what we got. See what kind of
Sometimes you
piston.
just got to do whether
Yeah,
it's wrong.
just do it. Try stuff. Have fun. You know. Like I say, we're not gonna break anything, and if it doesn't work, we didn't lose nothing. We do have a spiffy Proform 650. And got a wind accelerator. Drop me a comment below. Is it wind or wind? I've always just kind of said wind, but yeah, not too shabby. The ports are not even close because these heads are massive. Yeah, we're just having fun. Like I said, if it works, we did some myth busting. If not, we still had fun. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Now these aren't the perfect length. We're just gonna see how close we are. Where the hell is the intake valve?
You need to rotate it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think you're a little too short, so it's probably not going to give us an accurate reading because.
And there it goes.
Yeah, it don't look like it's
Yeah.
really moving the valve.
No, it's not.
It should.
It's not moving much.
I can't really tell nothing. Yeah, it's hard to get these things where you need it.
Yeah, it is.
Bend it a little bit. Just do this a little bit.
Take it down the intake port, maybe. There's the exhaust valve. There's the intake valve.
There we go.
Huh.
Just keep doing some jigging. Let me take this off, see how it's measuring up there.
I say it doesn't look close in what we're doing now, but again, they're not. That length isn't right. So our pattern though.
You can see it on the camera.
Yeah, he's.
It's
I
probably
mean,
center.
it's dead center. Well, yeah, I'm gonna say dead center.
It's more center than I thought it'd be.
Yeah, that doesn't suck at all. I don't know.
Who knows?
Yeah, who knows? Alright guys, I just wanted to show you this right here, okay? So there's your intake port on the intake. Put these up to these giant Victor Juniors. Yeah. Definitely it would need a bigger intake to actually make this work, but like I said, we're just playing around with stuff. Maybe we'll order up a bigger intake. 'Cause like I said, these are granddaddy heads. These things move all the air. Alright, so for our totally unscientific myth busting test we're doing right now, we were out of putty, so we've got, this is certified engine building white bread, but you know what, it'll work. So Would you like the honors of inserting the bread? Yeah, just yeah. No tuna, no crust, right? Yeah. All right.
You gotta be special. Old one.
Yeah. I mean,
Yeah,
if it
why
doesn't,
not, huh?
why not? If it doesn't work, we can make a sandwich. You know.
That's right. Set the OD back out. Here we are, huh?
Bam. Look, our bread's unscathed.
Yeah.
Yeah. We got what, 2 full rotations out of it?
I did one on the cam for sure.
It didn't smush it at all. Huh.
Maybe just your cam so tiny we ain't got this.
Yeah.
Just a super amount of lift.
Well, I'd say we're clear to send it.
Just roll with it, huh?
Yeah, I'd say we're clear to send it.
Send it.
So you guys drop a comment below. What do you think a set of hogged out Victor Juniors is going to do on a 306 without boost? And we're going to carburate it and just see. You know, what do you think? I feel like it's going to run pretty good, but who knows? Again, we're not matching cams. This isn't scientific. We're not going like... we're just gonna see. All right, Kevin.
Yeah.
What's your summation here? Is this gonna be a total turd, or is it gonna make stupid power?
You'll never know. You put them together.
No, you sure the hell don't.
No, you don't. You don't know. I mean, big heads on. You know, that's been proven wrong anyway. So,
But see, we've seen some that we've seen it go the other way in different posts, and this guy had drag times and all kinds of stuff,
oh.
which is kind of the reason we're trying this.
They work well on mine.
Yeah, but you're also supercharged, so
Yeah,
that changes things.
I run 205s, which.
But again, what is the most restrictive part on a HO 302?
Oh, it's the heads.
It's the heads. So now it's not.
Oh, it's definitely gonna breathe.
Yeah, it's gonna breathe.
Yeah, breathe.
Now, granted, if we were being scientific, we'd match the cam and do all this other crazy stuff. We're not. We're just
Ed Curtis and
yeah. We'd do all that.
Tell them what you got and hey, what you call him.
Yeah, I
Send
probably
it.
should.
Yeah.
Well, like I said, this is all a bunch of stuff we just had sitting around, and we're gonna try it. And so I really want everybody to drop me a comment below. Giant head on a 306. NA carbureted. I think I am going to order the Super Victor intake because that's a wind accelerator. It's tiny. I think it'll be interesting.
Oh yeah, no doubt about that.
Now you think about it too. Like you put a lot of gear in the car, 430 or something like that. I don't know.
Yeah, my thing is the cam gonna be big enough that it don't run out of breath?
Probably not.
You get what I'm saying?
I would say the cam's probably too small.
Yeah, that's the reason I say maybe. Possibly.
But it was there.
Yeah, it was there. So I mean, hey, run.
It's a Comp Extreme Energy something or other. So
Yeah,
I don't know.
I think if the cam was bigger, it wouldn't run out of breath.
Yeah.
Way on out there.
Yeah. Who knows?
Find it.
We're gonna find out though. That's the main thing. All right, guys, we do gotta get some more parts rounded up for this thing to get it all thrown together, but we're gonna figure it out. Be interesting to see. Drop your comments below. I know there's gonna be a lot of comments. We're not saying it's gonna do this or it's not gonna do that. What we're saying is we're gonna try it and see what the hell happens. So definitely stay tuned for this one. If you enjoyed it, drop me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. Catch you on the next one.